Hey my gels, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this very cute and easy look, so stay tuned. So first I'm going to be starting off on freshly washed hair. I'm going to be using the Creme Pure Honey collection for this entire tutorial. You guys know I love their line. So I actually use the shampoo as well as the hair mask to be able to give myself some pre-treatment prior to doing the style. So first up, I'm actually going to take my comb and be able to create a section right here on the side. Trying to make my parts as neat as possible, especially the back could be a little tricky, but you guys know I love me a straight part. So I'm going to take that section and separate it from the rest of the hair, and then I'm going to be applying the Creme of Nature Twisting Cream all into that section. So I'm going to make sure that the product is distributed all in my hair, and then I'm going to follow up with my denim brush to make sure that it is all the way through and detangled as well. Then I'm going to follow up with my Wetline Extreme Gel. Just place a little bit at the very beginning of the twist. Don't necessarily need to add it throughout the entire section, but I do like that sleek look at the beginning. And I'm literally just going to be doing a flat twist going straight to the back. And once I get to the very end of the flat twist, I'm going to take me a rubber band to be able to secure it. Then I'm coming back and adding some more of the curl activator at the ends of it because I want to make sure that the curls are poppy in, so when I put it in this nice little bun, it looks even with the rest of my hair. Hey, I see you guys. And then I'm going to repeat the exact same steps in the process on the other side of my hair. Going to make sure I have me a nice straight part going all the way to the back, sectioning my hair off so that way I can be able to twist it without any hair mixing up. Adding some more of that Creme of Nature curl activator all throughout that section. Then brush to detangle, and then that way it all is activated and throughout the hair. Then I'm going to take my fingers and do a flat twist going straight to the back. This is the perfect alternative for individuals who don't know how to French braid their own hair. I am individuals is me. So this is definitely a good little hack if you want to have a braided style. Instead of being able to braid, you can do a flat twist. So now you see how the flat twist on both sides. And now I'm actually going to do the wash and go section for the rest of my hair. So I'm just using my mist bottle here just to wet my hair again to open up those cuticles so that way the product can absorb all throughout my hair. Following up with that curl activator, using a little bit more because I'm working in bigger sections here opposed to those twists. Adding some more water again, opening up those cuticles, adding a little bit more curl activator because now I'm working with all the hair. So I'm going to come in again with that Wetline Extreme Gel and be able to apply it around the perimeter of my hair. And then I'm brushing it in so that way it can start to take shape and start to slick back to the back of my head. So I am using the same method that I used on one of my previous videos for a sleek bun. What I'm going to do is actually separate my hair into two sections, and you can do more sections if your hair is even thicker. But I'm going to separate into two sections in order to create a sleek bun because my hair is so thick, there's no way I could do it with one section. So I'm going to separate the section in the back. And you don't actually really need to apply that much gel or anything to the back section, just to curl, just because you don't need it to be sleek because it's going to actually be blended in with the front section going on top of it. So I'm just putting a little ponytail in the back just to get the process going here. And then I'm going to add a little bit more curl activator to the ends of my hair, making sure those curls are popping, looking real good. It's easier to do it in sections that are smaller, of course, anyway. And so once that's all distributed throughout the back section, I'm going to take the top section of my hair, smooth it down even more. So I'm just literally just running that brush through, making sure that it's nice and sleek and nice and tight. After I get it how I want it to be, I'm actually going to blend that portion of it to the back of that ponytail as well, so that way it can lay as flat as possible. So I'm just taking my elastic headband, being able to wrap it around accordingly to make sure it's nice and tight. And now that the ponytail is nice and tight, I'm going to add a little bit more of that curl activator to the ends again to make sure that the top section is defined with the curls as well as with the Wetline Extreme Gel to activate those curls. So as you can see, my pony looking a little cute. And I could wear it just like this with a pony, or you can switch it up and do it as a low bun. And so you can just flip it up right there at the ends, kind of cuff it under, and put your bobby pin right on that piece. You can put two bobby pins, one on each side if you prefer to. I kind of like that loose bun look because it still looks very neat, but it's not as tight. Coming in with the Creme Edge Control to slay and lay these edges, baby. I'm using one of my trusty dusty toothbrushes. I went to an old school handy dandy toothbrush strategy, always works. So I'm doing a little extra on the baby hairs today, making sure they're nice and curly. Okay, boars. So I'm laying the baby hairs on both sides, making sure that it is symmetrical and looking nice and neat. And here is the final look. I love this style because it's very easy to recreate but still has a very elegant flair to it. It's the perfect style to spice up your hair for the holidays. So if you like this video, my gems, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified when new posts become available. Until next time, bye my gems!